Blender 2.93. Curves with transparent textures. A short show on how to make a transparent texture using a crude drawing made in Blender. Start by UV unwrapping a plane. You can make the texture in IE GIMP. But if you want to, you can do it inside Blender. If so, create a new image in Texture Paint. Check that you can draw. Erase all. Draw what you like. Remember to save the image. This image was made in this way. And it is the image that will be used here. Make a new material for the plane with an image texture. Open the location of your image. The texture is mapped to the plane, but there is no transparency. Open the shader editor. And connect alpha to alpha. Looks like it is working. Put the texture to some use. Create a Bezier curve. Straighten and subdivide Bezier curve. Also recalculate handles, check length. You could use another Bezier curve or circle. To make a profile here, we will use profile. .25 can be used. Probably any value is okay. Assign material to curve. To adjust the texture to the curve, open the shader editor. Add nodes UV map and mapping. Select nodes and press F to join. Adjust the scale on the X and the Y axis. That's all. Thanks for watching.